So the whole premise behind this dinner is, like you guys saw in the email, is to highlight and showcase Haitian culture, but through food, right? And also often it's said that, oh, Haitian food is not aesthetic enough. Haitian food is family food only, and it can't be fine dining, it can't be elevated. But that's wrong, because we can make it different, make it look nice, presentable, and it doesn't have to be the typical things that we eat, but it's also reminds of, oh my God, this reminds me of this tastes live. So this is what we want to do with this dinner.